Okay, grand early rising, y'all. This is what? Hair maintenance. Y'all, yes, I'm up nice and early. Y'all know I'm an early bird. And I have to beat those loud birds before they wake up. Because when they woke, they are woke. So, okay, so we're going to do our hair. Hope everyone is having a what? Wonderful early morning. I did my altar work. Okay, so y'all, I got a little bit left in here, but I got a full bottle right here. So let's see. Did I take it? Yes, I'm gonna take that seal off. So happy Friday to everyone. Happy Friday. It's my payday. Okay, so I try to moisturize my hair at least 3 times a week, real good. Okay, we're gonna go here. Now this is our olive miracle oil, anti-breakage formula. So if you want to keep your hair nice and strong, okay, this is it. Olive oil is the best. Olive and tea tree oil. So this has olive and tea tree oil in it. So my loctician, she told me to make sure I use olive oil and tea tree oil because I had some locks that had broke off. Because when your hair gets long and long, sometimes your locks will get thin. But if you have a lock that comes out, hang on to it, and your loctician can put it right back on. They know how to do it. Now, y'all, I am 10 years locked. And I love my natural hair. Yes, I love it. Y'all, I was dyeing my hair, but I'm gonna rock my darn salt and pepper, baby. Yes, I am 10 years locked, and I wouldn't change nothing in the world. I love my natural woolly hair. I got hair like my daddy. Stunning like my daddy. And when you moisturizing your hair, you make sure you go all the way out to the ends, from the root to the ends. From the root to the tooth. Yes, so Coco and I, we're just going to enjoy the day. Of course, we're going to get our exercise. Man, Coco, we get good exercise every single day. No joke. And we're just going to go out and enjoy the day. We may hit some stores and browse around. Y'all, I ordered the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I have Spectrum, and I'm in the Anytime Upgrade program that they have. So I'm taking advantage of it. So yeah, I ordered the orange one. Orange is one of my lucky colors. So I ordered a orange one, and it's on back order. So it should be shipped out by the 2nd of December. And I am so excited. So excited. And y'all shop with us at I Love My Skin. That's the name of our skincare brand. And not only do I have skincare products. I have 2 hair care products on there as well. I have Shopify, and a lot of y'all is familiar with Shopify. You know, Shopify have a lot of sales channels, and so Shopify also has Printify. So that's drop shipping. That's where the digital come in at. That means I don't have to worry about looking for my own vendors. Printify have a list of vendors, a list top-notch vendors to choose from. Okay, so all I have to do is go to Printify and look for what I want to put my brand name on, and it automatically uploads you from Printify to my online store. And Printify has so everything you could think of, they have it. Things for your home, things for traveling, things for like just extracurricular activities. You know, some people like to play tennis, everything. Okay. So if any of you are interested and want to start a business, you need to jump on it now. Don't think about it, be about it, do it. There's nothing to think about. Shopify has a promotion. You only have to pay $1 a month for 3 months, and on that, by the end of that 3rd month, you choose a package. You could choose the basic package, which is just $39 a month. And guess what? That's a darn good investment. Because look, when you have your own business, and think about it, the whole entire world is your customers. Yeah, we're in a whole new world now. Yes. So there is no reason for no one to say they don't have streams of income. Because the Most High, He made it so everybody could have streams of income. That's what social media is for. Well, not for, but it is, because it's a business, because you get paid on social media. And so I share my products on all of my platforms. I'm on at least 5 of them. Plus, I have my Amazon storefront, so y'all can shop my Amazon storefront. I know I have this on there. I'm going to put everything in the description box. Y'all, I have to get a new case and case keyboard. I'm going to get it from Amazon like I did before. But the one I had, my keyboard stopped working on me. So I'm going to get another case and keyboard. Let me get a purple one this time. But I'm going to still keep the case. I ain't going to throw away the case because you can always use the case. And so, yeah. So I will order that soon. So tell me what hair products are y'all using on your hair? And is it working on your hair? Because if it's not working, if you're not getting the results that you want, you may want to consider trying something else. I love olive oil. Olive oil is good for everything. You got olive oil for your hair, you got olive oil for your skin, and you have olive oil for cooking. But the olive oil that you put in your hair, that's not what you cook with. You take yourself to that grocery store and get the olive oil off the shelf where all the baking things are. Because my hair it's growing back now, started thinning a little bit. You can probably see the small lock I made. That's it. It's growing back now pretty good. You can't, so it's not like a little spot there. And I'm going to keep my hair wrapped. Because y'all know using it's like a hot oil treatment. when you wrap your hair up after oiling it real good, some of you sit in the dryer, or you could just simply wrap your hair up and give yourself a hot oil treatment. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I do this again Sunday. Yes, I do this again Sunday. Mm-hmm. And I make sure I go through my hair, because y'all know what? When you have locks, and if you don't go through your hair and separate those locks, they end up joining. But there's nothing wrong with your locks joining. They just join. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 10 years locked. Mm-hmm. And I wouldn't trade it for nothing in the world. I never liked perms. And I never did like that stuff. And it didn't like me neither. Y'all look at all this hair. My hair is all the way down to my butt. I wanted long hair when I was a child, and look at the Most High, y'all. He blessed me with that long hair. My hair's going to get longer than this. I'm going to let it grow, 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 grow. Y'all know what? It's a guy. Y'all can search this. On YouTube, his hair is all the way on the ground. No joke. And his wife was washing his hair. Yeah. But I would have put a towel down there. I would not have just let my hair just be on the concrete. But yes, goodness, his hair. I think his locks was longer than, was it Solomon? King Solomon, that's my cousin. No joke. I'm Hebrew. I'm of the royal tribe of Judah, properly pronounced Yahudah. I'm daughter of Zion from Israel. Jerusalem is the capital. And I'm going home, y'all. No joke, me and Coco bag is packed and ready to go. Packed and ready to go. This is amazing. We're living in some amazing times. So, and I'm getting more of these, y'all. Now I got some more headbands, and I'm gonna get some more of these. Mm-hmm. Cause y'all can tell it's all out of shape. I've been using it forever. So now I'm gonna put this on, and you just tuck. Just tuck, tuck, tuck. Go around like this. Twist and tuck. Mm-hmm. There we go. There we go. Uh-huh. Okay, nice. And just go ahead and moisturize those hands with that olive oil. Hands, arms. Okay, so thanks for watching. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And shop with us at Luxe Suave Fitnesswear.myshopify.com. And I'm going to put the link to all of our businesses in the description box, okay? Happy Monday. Well, I say Monday. No, baby. Happy Friday. Y'all have fun and be safe.